My name is Kevin. Today I'm going to be doing, working on my 2012 Mazda Speed 3. Um, it is my daily driver. It needs a good paint correction, a lot of work. On here, I love the car. It's been a great car. It works very well. Mechanically, its sound other than the front end is a little tired, so probably will be getting some suspension work done soon. Wheels are a little bit beat up too, so hopefully in the near future I can slap some new ones on here. As you can see, I do have it lowered a couple inches. Other than that, it's just got the turbo in the pipe, a cold air intake. No tune, but it's just enough. It's very strong, reliable. Just a good car, fun to get around in. Not the best of the Mazda Speed 3s out there, but I like it, you know. The paint on it it's gotten pretty rough over the years. I've clay barred it a few times, done some basic, maintenance, washing, waxing, all of that good stuff. But today and through the rest of this week, I'm going to be doing some paint correction on here. I think I'm going to do a two-step. I've got all my stuff ordered in, have all my chemicals now. So I'm looking forward to doing this. I have done a little bit of paint correction here in the past. I've done it on a boat. I've also done it on a couple other cars previously. So I'm excited to see the results to kind of bring this back to what it should like. The black on these cars I think looks really good. Has a lot of little flake inside of the paint when the light's on it, sunlight's on it. So I'm excited. This is, quarantine time. We're about 7 weeks in, so looking a little scruffy here. Hair's a little wild, but I figure we got the time. So over the next course of the next week, when I can, I am still working. I'm working remotely from home, but I will be getting everything together, getting this all done up, and hopefully, showing you guys and sharing with you this little journey to bringing the paint back to life. So I'm going to go ahead now, start working on it. The first step I'm going to do, as you can see, I've got a lot of different stuff here. Right now I'm just going to be using a clay bar kit. I've already washed the vehicle. A lot of that's all done, as you can kind of see, and I'll get some 50-50 shots. There is some hard water spots on here, which I'm not concerned about. That's all going to come off when I clay bar everything. But I will get working on that, show you guys a little tidbit of it, and then get down to the good stuff where we can really start to see some good results, hopefully. So thank you guys for watching, and please let me know what you think. Let's get jamming. Clay boring's pretty easy. You can buy these kits anywhere, pretty much any automotive store, Amazon, whatever you want. They'll pull a lot of the impurities off the paint, which you want to do before going in with any sort of compound or finishing polish. If you have any latex gloves, it's good to put those on. You can kind of run. You should be able to feel, I can actually feel it without latex gloves on, just the difference in smoothness of what I just did versus what I haven't touched. I will spare you guys me doing this, but I'm going to do this over the entire vehicle. Get this, really as smooth as I can. As you can see, there's a lot of chips and whatnot on my car. Like I said, it's a daily driver. It's got 117 or 118,000 miles on this thing already. So just trying to bring it back to life. I'll probably come back with some Dr. Color Match, try and get some of these chips out, things of that nature. Really get this car back to life. But clay bar process, pretty easy. There's a million other videos on how to do this as well. So I will get to it. See you guys. I just did the front passenger door right there. So I was going to do this back door because it's a relatively clean looking car for the most part. So I just wanted to run over this real quick so I can briefly show you what the turnout is. After I clay bar it, and you'll see how much additional junk you get off. So I haven't done this bottom part of the door yet. I'm just using a basic spray detailer right here to wet it. You can actually use water. Sure, there's some nice products out there. But as you can see, before I hit it, the clay is pretty clean. You can already tell this one is not as bad as the front door was. That was not a bad little hit, but now as you can see, just pulled all that off of the door. So that's the grime you don't want to put in. Grime you don't want to start buffing into your car when you're going to detail it. That's why using the clay bar is important before you start diving deep. So quick rendering of the car. It's finished. Clay barred it top to bottom. This is what it's looking like in the garage. Obviously, looks good in this lighting. I'm gonna have to take it out to the sunlight, see kind of what it looks like there. Got a couple of them, 3 of them. So looks decent. So you can kind of see in the paint when you get to the correct sunlight, you see a lot of that spider web looking clear coat. All right, so we're going to be moving on to the first stage. Here. I'm using a Torque X dual action polisher. Pick it up for, I forget what I paid, a couple $100, something like that. I think I ordered mine from Chemical Guys. Got a package, came with a bunch of different pads, so I'm actually going to be utilizing a light medium polishing pad. And then I picked up a number of different polishers that they have. They're D34, 36, 38, and then they're finishing. So I'm going to do a 2-step, I think. So I'll probably be starting with their 36 and then moving to the 38 and seeing if that does the trick in terms of my car and how bad it is. It's far from the worst I've ever seen. Let's see if I can get a little bit in here. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but kind of see some of the spider webbing here. So there's some light scratching going on kind of across the vehicle. I think this might be it's kind of hard to see, so I apologize. On the doors there, so I'll hit a 50-50 shot, see if I can get something better for you guys, but that is what I'm going to be doing here to start. So light medium pad, and gonna get right. And I almost forgot, just to kind of show you guys what I'm going to do here. I've got this polishing pad conditioner right here. You're just going to give it a few sprays. Run it up 3 or 4. That's just to prevent a little less friction here on your car. And then once you have your polisher that you're going to utilize here. So for me, this is a 36. It's a optical grade cut and polish. You're just going to make about 4 dime size right onto your pad. That should cover about a 2 square foot area of your vehicle. So just so you guys are aware kind of how you apply it. I only have one hand, so I can't really show you right now, but you're going to place it down in the car first before you fire it up, obviously, to prevent splatter of compound flying everywhere. And like I said, that's going to be about a 2 square foot area that you're going to be covering. So, all right, guys, I just finished up the half of my hood. So as you can kind of see right there, there's the tape line. I've hit this top right of the hood. I'm going to try my best to see kind of the webbing in it. Hopefully you guys can see that all well. And there's the side-by-side comparison. So definitely a big difference. Happy with the results. Obviously they're not perfect, but like I said, this car has a lot of mileage on it, 117,000 I believe. Still going to be a daily driver, so just kind of bringing it back to life a little bit. Happy with the results. So time to do the rest of the vehicle. Yes, there's a lot of rock chips and whatnot that you're seeing as well. Going to go back and try and fill as many of those in as possible once I'm done with the paint correction. So I'm just going to do another real quick 50-50 shot for you. Just hit one of the doors and show you guys what that looks like real quick. So let's get some light on it. This is the untouched side. You guys can see the spidering, and this is significantly better. Not perfect, but much better than that. So again, pleased how it's coming along. And let's see, a couple other areas here. Maybe hit it one more time. See if I can lighten that up a little bit more, but you get the point.
You can try all you want, but you can't change me. I am stronger than you.
You guys can see it's a different day. This camera adjusted. Hopefully you guys can see that. I've gone through, done the compound on the whole car. Now I'm going back over it with a finishing polish. You will see a video in here. Shows me kind of doing it one-handed on my roof. I do not recommend that technique, by the way.
I am just too short standing up, couldn't reach over the car comfortably, so I just kind of positioned my hand here to keep an even pressure straight down, not too much on any side of the pad. As best I can, probably only applied 3 pounds of pressure or so, and other than that, just let the pad and the compound do the work. So now I'm going over the car a second time, doing all the finishing. When I finish that up, the last step I'm going to have is wax. Actually, prior to waxing, I'm going to actually create a different video, but it's just going to be a short clip, short video. I'll do my best to try and link it below. But I'm going to go through the hood, a couple of places on the roof, the doors, where some of the paint chips are. Do a little video of Dr. Color chip on the car. Just try and clean it up even a little bit more. Once I've finished that, I'm going to run over the car fully with the wax. But by the time you see this video, that video will have been finished as well, just due to the process I'm doing things. So enjoy. I'm back at it. Officially finished up doing the detail of the car. So I'll go ahead and show it to you guys, see what you think. Turnout, actually very pleased. Paint was in really rough shape prior to doing this. There was a lot of scuffing in the clear coat. It just looked bad. It was rough, very rough to the touch. And cleaned up the hood, cleaned up a few other chip spots. It's looking good, feels good. Running your hand across it, nice and slippery. Just finished it out with a Carnauba wax, and yeah, all in all, great. This project's done. Be on to the next. A few other things to keep the car in good condition and tidy up a few other loose ends. So thanks for joining me, guys. Appreciate you watching my video, sticking with me. I'm new to this. Not real comfortable yet on camera, so but hang in there. I've got some other projects planned, house projects, car projects, things like that. I'll be sharing with you. Thanks so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.